What's up? I'm going to show you how to diagnose and fix your Fisher Paykel washer that is not turning on. So you go on to press this power button, but nothing happened. You're not getting any power. The first thing you want to check is when you press this, you should be able to sort of feel and hear sort of like a click when you press this button in. When you're not hearing that, it means that something's going on inside here. So it's not anything to do with like the power board or anything like that. You just need to open this up and check behind this button to make sure that it's still pressing. You can hear it, it's not contacting. So we'll open this up and we're gonna have a look inside. You'll need to grab a Phillips head screwdriver, and with that, what we'll do, we'll take the top off. To take the top off, there's two screws at the back. So one will be on this corner here, and then the other one will be on that corner. Just undo those. They'll be facing up that way. So you need to take those off. And then when it comes to the front here, you're gonna need to remove the soap drawer. And to remove the soap drawer, you press here in the softener tab here, press it in and just pull this out. And as you see here, there are screws that are holding this on there. There are screws in here which you need to take off. There's two. So you need to take off that one and that one. So your model might look different to this one, but what we're doing here and diagnosing will be similar across many different models. So let's see what happens. At the top here, there's two screws. One will be on this corner. The other one will be on the other corner. Just take that out, and then we'll be able to pull this out. At the back here, there's two screws. Just undo them so that we can slide this soap drawer back, and then it'll be easier to just get this out. Once we've got that done, we need to remove the electrical connections. And let's get a cutters, cut off these zip ties, and then we're gonna have a look at this. With this open, you're gonna need to take off these 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got it open. You can see here the power switch is this one. And when you press it, you can hear that click. That's what you're supposed to be hearing. But mine's not working. I can see the problem already. So this broke off. So this piece usually sits about there. And then when you press the button on the other side, on. But this piece is broken off. So we'd need to replace this whole, like this gray piece. This gray piece here. You can order it by putting in your model number into eBay and Google and just searching for control panel fascia. I think if you explode it, it will bring up what this is. Once you get a new one of these plastic covers, let's say it holds the control panel, the plastic fitting that holds the control panel, it should work. Just replace it, it should work. I think the best thing to do maybe is go on eBay and look for one of these, even if it's broken electronically here, but then this plastic bit works, because this plastic bit will come off. This is just the housing for it. And yeah, it should work once you replace that. Failing that, you can just always take off the button itself, and every time you need to wash, you just poke in there with a screwdriver or something. To take it off, it's pretty easy. Just put this out, and then you'll still be able to use it. You won't be stranded without a washing machine to use. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. If you have any issues, just reach out and I'll get back to you.